Dive into the exciting world of crypto trading on your PC with Bybit. Learn the quick setup process in this tutorial. First, go to the Bybit website. You have two options: download the desktop application for a dedicated experience, or trade directly in your browser. We'll explore both. To download the app, click the Download App button. This initiates the download sequence based on your operating system, Windows or Mac. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder or find the X file. Double-click to commence installation. The installation is simple. Accept the terms, choose a location, and follow the on-screen prompts. Once complete, a Bybit shortcut appears on your desktop. Double-click it to launch. Alternatively, launch through your browser. Once running, log in if you have an existing account. If you're new, click Sign Up to create your Bybit account. You're in. Explore the trading interface, cryptos, and order tools in the Bybit platform. Enjoy the expansive PC view. Analyze in detail, monitor multiple assets, and experience more power. Start today for an optimal trading experience. And subscribe for more tips. #Bybit #crypto trading.